Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a very common problem in modern dash cam is like you see the clips, like let's say you have set in the loop in for 3 minutes, but you are saying you see it like 1 minute 20 seconds, sometimes even less than that, and it happens very frequently. Why? Because the rest of the footage goes into emergency mode. Why it happens and how you can stop it, like how you can reduce this, or you can just stop it, like whatever loop you said, let's say 1 minute 2 minute 3 minute, it works like this. So how you can do it, that's what I'm going to discuss and show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, so guys, this is the Dashcam HelpingAll 4K. So the factor that really plays role here is G sensor. So we have to adjust the G sensor according to our choice. So I'm going to settings. Okay, you see there's G sensor. So right now I've turned it off. There's a high, middle, low. So depending upon what you prefer, you can select. But yes, right now I've turned it off. So there's nothing that happens here. Every time I get 3 minutes clip. Okay, this is what I really wanted, because in case of anything goes wrong, I can quickly download because it has got inbuilt Wi-Fi. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.